Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to purchase crypto with Bitunix, no KYC. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all you have to download the Bitunix application on your iOS and Android device. On your iOS or Android device, so if you're on an iPhone, just go to your iOS app store and here just search for Bitunix like this, and then just download the first application right here. The steps are gonna be similar on an Android phone as well, so you can just download it or just go to their website if you are on a computer or laptop device as well. Now you just have to sign up on this crypto exchange, and then you can just start purchasing crypto with no KYC. So yeah guys, you can either do it on their website or you can do it on their application. So yeah guys, this is how you purchase crypto with no KYC. If you found this video to be helpful guys, then thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.